Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Glueless, and in this video I am showing you how I got this little Glueless install put together. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because you know what, YouTube pushes out my videos when y'all interact with me and like my videos and comment and do all that good stuff. And if you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you tuning in. So the specs on this, it's a 20-inch wig, a blonde highlighted wig. It's glueless. It's a 5x5 closure. Usually I don't wear closures. I always mostly wear frontals. But yes, I will put the details of this wig down in the description box if you want to know more info. But let's get into this install, because this was a long drawn out intro. And this is the final look. This install is nice and quick. I love the highlights of the hair. It's really pretty. I love it. And I didn't have to do nothing. I didn't have to bleach. I didn't have to pluck. I didn't have to do anything to this, but I gave it a little curl. Gave it like a beachy wave. It's like beach waves, like beach type curls, because I wanted this install to be nice and easy, because you know it says it's glueless, so I'm not going to do too much. So this is supposed to be like a little throw-on wig, so I definitely can throw this on and off. Yeah, I like this. This is really cute. Like, you know, I'm going out, you know, and I want to be a little, you know, cute and stuff. You know, have a little different look. This is really cute. I like it. It's shorter than wigs I usually wear, but I like it. I like the length. I really do. It's cute. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Tell me how you enjoyed this install. This quick install is very beginner friendly. I know some of my videos are not beginner friendly, but this is definitely beginner friendly. I did not do anything to this wig. Literally is what I'm showing you is what I did. I didn't pluck off camera. I didn't do anything. So I just flattened it out because I don't like a wiggy looking wig, and that's it. Like, and yep. Comment down below, tell me how you like this, and I'll see you in my next video.